This Apple Watch Ultra band from Shop Holy is awesome. It is made from the grade 4 titanium with the silicone links inside. It comes with a price tag of just $2.9. Let's get into it. This is beautiful. It is basically these titanium metal bands are linked together with the inside of the second layer made of silicone, and it is very flexible. It will move with the movement of your wrist. It comes with an adjustment tool. This is the adjustment tool, and you can just remove some of the links from it to make it the just right size of your wrist. Let's change the band. Here you go. And it has a magnetic lamp, a very strong magnet. It is not just my size, it's a bit bigger. So I need to remove few of the links. In order to make this band the right size, you need to remove some of the links from this band with the help of this adjustment tool. And we are going to remove some of these links. Just insert this adjustment tool from the sides. Now there are little holes from the sides of this band. Insert this adjustment tool like this, and it will come off like this. And I have removed 4 of the links from this band, 2 from each side. And now it's time to reconnect the links. We will reconnect it like this. Just insert it from one side. The sidebar needs to be inserted like this from one side, and with the help of the nail we will push it inside, and you will hear a click, and here it goes. And now this is my perfect size. Let me know in the comments below, how did you like the combination with the natural titanium? And I prefer the black one. Should I have gone for the natural titanium band for this? Let me know in the comments below. And thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. And make sure to like and subscribe my channel to see more videos like this. See you next time. Take care.